What is going on, Sneak Peek fam? Thanks for coming back and checking out another mystery box unboxing. So today we do have another $630 beater box, and we'll get right into it right after this. So, like I said earlier, $630 from Soul Supremacy. This is indeed one of their beater boxes. Thank you again to Jimmy JRV Kicks. Go ahead, check him out over on Instagram because he is also a Soul Supremacy beater box member, and he also puts up a lot of shoes for sale. So if you're interested, go ahead and check him out. But today we have this box. We'll see how it does. Maybe it'll be similar like to some of the other boxes we had. Hopefully some good profit for us. And if you guys are interested in anything that's in the box, go ahead and click that description box down below. There's going to be a link to my eBay page or also to my Instagram, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Let's go ahead and just dig straight into this. All right, I like what I see so far because, like I said, if you guys are new here to the Sneak Peek fam, thank you so much. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want to join the family. But like always, I want to give you guys a sneak peek. All right, so I really appreciate this box right here. So over here, we're gonna have a counter that's gonna tell us the market value for each individual pair because we gotta know how much money we're gonna make. So it's gonna give you a number, but that number is not necessarily what I'm selling it for. It's just an estimated price of what it's going on for the market. Because when I sell them, I wanna give a fair price. I don't wanna upcharge people, so I'm just trying to be a fair guy. All right, Kawhi. No, he's fun guy. I'm just fair guy. The first shoe out is a pair of Lebrons. So I honestly forget, this gotta be like a 13 or I always forget the model numbers, but it is a Black History Month pair. So you do have hints of Black History Month all over it. These are a pretty big size. Let's see, size 13. So these honestly aren't that bad. They have lots of life left. So if you guys want to hoop in some Lebrons, these aren't a bad way to go. It does seem like it'll be, it does seem like it'll hold up quite some time. So definitely not a bad shoe to start off with. I'm gonna save that Nike SV box because I'm kind of waiting. So we do have a size 11 Nike Air Trainer Victor Cruz Premium, and that's not even the shoe that's in here, guys. Getting swapped. So we do have a pair of triple white NMDs. These boys are a little dirty, so the sole's definitely dirtied up, and at least the traction's still there, so it's not terrible. The boost does have a small light yellowing going along the bottom of the boost, which is normal for wear, and the uppers are just dirty. And one thing to note is that these are not the original laces. Someone, at least I don't think that they are. It looks like someone added these black and white laces, which honestly to me, I'd rather just go with white, try and keep it all white, but if you guys buy these will be included with your purchase. Over here we do have a Jordan 1 Mid SC. I hope this is another pair of, oh, it's not, I lied. So this is a pair of the Jordan 1 Mids. I forget what this is called, but it's actually really cool. So it's pretty much a triple white shoe except with the little Jordan symbol and the heel. But the back says 2020 Nike swoosh on tour, and it has a bunch of different cities over in the UK. So the eyelets or the aglets have a cool little 2020 stamp. It's kind of hard to want to support 2020 in a shoe because 2020 has just been so difficult. So this is actually a really cool shoe because it does have this like zigzag lightning bolt type of Nike swoosh on it. So it does stick out and it is different, and I love this little tiny Nike swoosh right here by the toe cap. So these are a size 10 in men's, so definitely not a bad shoe. The bottoms are pretty dirtied. All right, next shoe out of this box is an Air Force One Ultra Flyknit Low in a size 10. And that's exactly what we do not have in this box. So these are a pair of the, I think it's like Lunar Epics. Yes, Lunar Epic Flyknits. So this shoe is a multicolor Flyknit shoe. If I clean them up, I honestly do think I'll get a lot. Okay, well, not a lot, but a lot for a beat up shoe like this, simply because Nike has actually stopped making Lunar launch shoes altogether because they have switched over to React cushioning. I know this because I used to work at Nike, so that's what they used to tell us. But these shoes are dirty, they will need a cleanup, but I think these can fetch a decent amount. We have a pair of Nike Air Max 97 Quick Strikes in a size 11. Last time we got juked, let's see if we get juked again. And we got juked again, boys. But yeah, we have a pair of these white Foamposite Pros. Pro means that the Nike swoosh is on there, so that's pretty much the only difference. I don't know the full name of these, but these actually are pretty clean. They are a size 11. They're just a little dusty, but a nice quick wipe down will make these look pretty good again. I don't see any real flaws, so hopefully they do pretty well. These almost look pearlescent. Maybe that's the name, pearl, but I could be wrong. We got a Jordan box coming out. A size 10.5 Jordan 14. You don't really see these that often anymore, but boom. All right, so I think these are the Ferrari Jordan 14s, and oh, I thought they were dead stock. But these are super clean. The bottoms look very lightly worn, nothing too crazy, but the uppers are still in really good condition. Nothing wrong with this suede. But it's cool to see those carbon fiber prints, and you would think that they're kind of more plasticky feeling, but it's actually like really soft rubber cushion foam. I don't know what it is, but it's soft. So these are clean, and I think these do pretty well. One, because it's Ferrari, and second, because it's red, and I know people like red shoes, so yeah, not a bad shoe at all. All right, 3 shoes left. I'm getting this one out of here. So these are a women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High Premium size 12, which means that they're a size 10.5 in men's. So we have, whoa, some very opposite shoes from the ones we just opened up. So those were all red, these are all blue. So we do have a full on blue Jordan 1. And honestly, when they said premium, they're not joking. The suede up on top here is actually super soft. Even the lining on the inside of the sock liner is really nice. So these are dead stock, so that's actually going to be a really good thing for us because it'll be easier for us to move. But I'm pretty sure it's not that much because I see all these stickers that indicate that they were being sold at the outlets. So who knows, maybe it'll be good, maybe it won't. You'll see over on the counter right there. Some Nike Dunks. So for me, the blue box is my favorite box, only because it reminds me of my very first pair of Nike SBs. Nike SBs just means skateboarding. It doesn't necessarily mean dunks. So we'll see what's in this box. So these are a Blazer SB Elite, and boom. Whoa, these are really cool. So I've never seen these. I know that they used to do some crazy stuff with Blazers, but you do have this black and white with some gray hits of a Blazer. I do not, yes, and yellow. So it says Singles Club, July 2009, a limited edition, and then it says sub and pop at the back and on the tongue. So quality is actually really nice on these. Super interesting shoe. I don't know if it has any good value or not, but I do enjoy this box a lot. So we got one more box. Save this one for last because I don't know why. I just did. I thought this was a different box. I only saw this silver part and I thought it was like a silver box for a Nike SB Dunk or a Nike Dunk. So I'm a little let down by myself. I tricked myself out, but this is a 2005 era Jordan box. It is a size 8 and it is a Jordan 14 retro. So over here, actually, I don't know what these are. These kind of look like they would be called mochas, like the Mocha 14s. I don't know, maybe. All right, so like I said, we do have a pair of Jordan 14s right here, and the quality on these is really nice, and nothing about these look too worn except for maybe the back tab that has begun to yellow, but that's normal, especially for a shoe that's like 15 years old. So definitely not bad. These did come out in 2005. So like I said, 2005 era, 15 years old. No sole separation on this one. This one does have yellowing on the uppers, but still over here there's no sole separation, so that's really good. Hopefully I can fix this or repaint this and it'll look pretty good. So I don't think I've seen this in a long time, so this might be a more rare of a shoe, which actually might create a little bit more hype or a little bit more demand. So we'll see how much they really go for. Overall, I'm so sorry that I didn't save the best for last. Over here, we do have our counter, and it is gonna total up right here. That's how much the total market value is for this box. And like I said earlier, we did spend $630 on this box, so subtract 630 and we are left over with this amount, and that is our profit amount. So kind of like this batch a little bit more than some of my other ones. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys can leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite shoe was, because there's a lot of different ones. Or maybe what's a shoe that you haven't seen before that I pulled out, because there are a bunch of unique shoes in this box, which is really fun for, you know, mystery boxes. You never really know what you're gonna get. So other than that, I hope you guys can stay blessed, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.